So basically, viscosity is the flow of liquid, right? And the best example which I am given is like a honey and water. If there is a slight slope, not a very large slope, and you try to add water, so water will quickly flow while the honey will take time, right? What is the difference? That difference we call it as a viscosity. And viscosity is also dependent on the intermolecular interaction. Viscosity as well dependent on the intermolecular interaction. Otherwise, think about it. Why honey flow is very less compared to water? What should be the reason for that? The reason is similar. The thing is that in case of honey, the particles or the layers, we can say, or the molecules have a strong attraction for each other. If there is strong attraction in between, the flow of the liquid will be less, because the flow is always take place. The first layer will be flipped, then the second layer will be there. So it's layer to layer. If the between the layers is a strong intermolecular interaction, in that case viscosity will be higher. So it means I can assume that viscosity, which is what? Which is flow of liquid, or it is like a restriction in the flow of liquid actually. But
Yeah,
it depends
how thick it is and stuff. Basically, like the particles.
Usually because of how close the particles are to each other,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. So it depended on the intermolecular interaction. And now this intermolecular interaction you just did, right? So can you tell me, if I gave you the same example, petrol and diesel, which one will have more viscosity and why?
Diesel has more
Diesel will have
carbon.
more viscosity.
Yes. So because diesel have more intermolecular interaction, right? Okay, yeah, that is
And
correct.
also, I
So
mean,
just
diesel is considered higher efficiency, which can only be because of the higher density.
yes, correct.